Headman.
Head. Nakita niya ako. Run.
Ano yun, ng lights off?
Oh! Mamakay!
Okay. I think it went. Oh, it's over there. It's chasing Boss Miko.
Ah, hinahabol sila.
I'm gonna run over here.
Safe naman tayo. Wala naman namatay so far.
Oh my god, the head is in the bunk bedroom.
What? Shit! Hello?
Like back to work.
Ay!
Anda pa yung ulo?
Ay, putang ina mo! Alam! Well, they're dead.
That's our
Or...
Boss Miko! Oh my god! You know what? I'm gonna grab Boss Miko. We're gonna go.
Pala yun.
Ano yan? Ay.
Chick!
Alright, Hiwa, here's your
No, it's okay. We got
Full
her.
health per lobby heal.
Okay, then I'm still
You're-
gonna...
Let's go.
It's still a tradition.
I mean, if you want to do it, go na.
Gusto ko yung dinig talaga yung ano eh.
Yay, let's go.
Oh, sa buong team yun. Ang cool.
Ha?
Boss Miko, Miko has a heavy
Teka, yung cart.
Di mas magandang ilagay sa extraction to.
Madala yung cart. Ah!
Yung pito.
Visit ka!
May nagasasaan dyan.
May nasagasaan to eh. Lagay niya dito. Oh my god, gago. Naririnig ko yung Trudge, gago.
Uy,
Desktop.
pala si Trudge. Ay, gnomes and Trudge.
Dumadaan yung trad. Ayun na. Dito yung tapos nito.
Oh, there were gnomes.
Oh, there were gnomes.
Ah, gnomes. Okay. Asan yung Trudge?
Kasi padded siya.
Trudge is back.
Ayan na yung Trudge. Ayun na yung Trudge.
Andito sa kitchen. Yeah.
Ay, gago. Oo nga.
Mama!
Namatay si Ate Ken. Bakit ako na naman?
Okay, good.
Teka na.
Take mama.
I don't see shit. Ay, ayun siya. Oh, pero!
Oh, I'm alive! I live, bitch!
Akiyabi yun,
Wala namang something.
I refuse to shoot her with her back towards me.
What the fuck?
Heck? Where's that coming from?
Asan sa... Sino yun?
Si Boss Miko.
Ate yun,
Who's the biggie? Yo!
We need indestructible drone.
Oh, here.
Yeah, drop it here.
drop it?
May recharge naman tayo eh.
Okay.
O sige, kaya ba?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Oh,
It goes in a square hole.
Kasha ba yan? Ayan.
got this.
Pero bakit baliktad?
Tulak!
Yeah. Inside here.
Siya si Boss Miko. Siguro nasa ano na.
I hope this fits.
Wow, grabe. Ang ganda ng ano natin.
Kapag gun, Boss Miko, let's go.
Pwede akong bumili ng 15.
Take this one.
Go. Kaya pa yan. Ano pa? 13 pa.
Utang inang kantang yan.
Do we put this in extraction or in the cart though?
Extraction na diretso.
Okay. Oh my god! Boss Miko scared me! Even the music is getting slowed down. I can't wait for the huntsman to show up. You know what I mean?
Yun nga eh.
I'm sorry. Oh my god. Okay, I get it. Let's go and get.
Okay.
Ano na again?
I'm okay.
Actually, pwede natin patayin yun. Aga. Ayan.
Matay na.
Nice one.
Can you siguro lift me up
Okay, get small for me.
Dali, Yabi, saluhin kita.
Ay,
Saluhin kita, Yabi. May hagdanan talaga, girl. May hagdanan talaga.
Whoa!
Guys, ayan na yung cube.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Liro.
Okay. It was funny.
It was funny. I think I hear the hidden. Piro! Piro! You can grab him! You can grab him! You can grab him! guys. Okay.
Where'd he go? Oh!
Ito.
Pachunya!
He almost got me. Okay. Ay, wait. I forgot. Ano? I have to give you help.
Oh yeah!
You're 1 HP.
I forgot I'm tudun. Thank you!
Hello.
Hello! I can pick it up.
Ay, sorry!
I got you!
Bitch.
And
Come here.
then
Dead.
Yeah!
Sayang. Man, narinig ko Huntsman.
Okay, kamagaran niyo muna.
Hindi, yan ang gagawin niya eh. Alam ko yan eh. Kilala ko na kagad yan eh.
Okay na. Wala na yung hunter.
Gago nilaglag.
Di ba natin na-heal si Boss Nico nga pala?
Ay, oo nga no.
Oh, it's used na pala. Oh my god, the huntsman broke the door. We have enough money, but I'm scared. Yeah, but you have
Alam ko
the
hindi
biggest
ka na eh.
PP. You have the biggest PP. I love you. I'll help give my help to some of them. Kasi,
Yeah, go. I still have health naman. Wow! Thank I'll give you guys health. Okay.
Where's the bard?
Okay na. Thank you.
Shit, what the fuck is happening? Oh, Drudge! Wait, can we lift them? 2 people can lift Drudge. Oh shit! The marshmallow! Ah!
She was a fairy.
Nice one! Both the dolls and it killed Mama!
Oo.
Oh!
Oops.
I thought there was another doll for a second.
Oh, sorry.
Gagi, Michelin man.
Oh my fucking god. Who died?
Pero ata.
Ay, sorry, Boss Nico. Oh no!
I'll take
Or,
the trophy to the
nasan
other
yung,
part.
nasan yung ano natin, na cart natin?
Back here.
Yung ano?
Oh shit!
Yung cart natin.
Boss Miko! Oh no! Sorry, Boss Miko. You ran into the trophy and my grip was too strong. Yeah, when you went ahead of me, heavy siya. Oh my god! This is why I'm gonna walk the slow way.